Today I am making homemade remedy for my family. I have some coughing going on. I'm not sick, but Basil's sick, Chadwick's sick, Janine is sick. I seldom get sick, so I end up being the person who takes care of everybody. So I was listening to this lady who does natural healing, natural remedies, and she gave the recipe for flu balm. And so I'm making a combination of the onion, cough syrup, and flu balm that she gave the recipe for. And what it requires is onion, garlic, ginger, honey, and just one drop of eucalyptus oil. Remember, this thing is strong, potent, and it's not for internal consumption really. We use eucalyptus oil for many things to help us breathe better when we have a cold, and also the juice of one lemon. So, first, I made my onion into very thin slices. Layer the onion with the honey. So, one layer of onion on the bottom, 1 teaspoon or so of honey, another layer of onion, honey, onion, honey. I've also sliced the garlic really thinly and done the same, added that to some of the areas. Then I did some ginger. I've already done that, so it's not showing on this video. So I've added the ginger, I've added honey, and look what's happening. It's already forming into a syrup. The very thick honey and onion juice is becoming very liquid. So 1 tablespoon of this 3 times a day should do the trick. But until we actually try it, we won't know. So now I'm just going to drop that 1 drop of eucalyptus oil to make this balm. And we have to be very careful not to do too much of this stuff because it is potent. All right, there we go. 1 drop. That's all we need. We'll save the rest for applying to the pillow so that the nostrils can clear when they sleep. So as you can see here, I'm almost done. I have a few slices of onion left. So I'm going to show you how I layered that. It goes in. And then the honey. Almost to the end of my onion. I got to the point where I couldn't make slices anymore, so I kind of chopped these up as thinly as I could. And more honey. And this will serve as a cough mixture for quiet in the nighttime cough, so everybody in the house can sleep really well. And it will give comfort to the sick person. There we go. Lastly, I'm going to add some of this lemon juice to the mixture that we have so far. Since I don't want the seeds of the lemon, I'll just use a strainer to capture the seeds for me so I don't have to fish them out. You can hear that cough in the background. That's what this is supposed to help.
So, we need to take that how many teaspoons?
Yes, teaspoons.
Just take 1 teaspoon?
Yep.
They're
Three,
not ready yet.
1 teaspoon 3 times a day. No, it's not ready.
1 teaspoon a day.
3 times a day.
Jesus.
And we have not a excited camper. We'll see if one shot helps. Then we won't have any complaints. And that's it.